EPC RECAST has developed an innovative protocol to facilitate the work of EPC assessors in their daily activities. Focusing on residential buildings, it provides an integrated step-by-step workflow, from the on-site visit to the delivery of the certificate. EPC RECAST is based on a central data model of the building and a digital platform that connects several applications.
Step 1. On-site diagnosis. The assessor begins with an on-site visit of the dwelling. He uses the Vimeo augmented reality application on a tablet to conduct the visit. First, he assesses the precise dimensions of the dwelling. He visits each room and he measures the surface area of the walls, floors and ceilings with the tablet. Then, he scans the windows and openings to create a 3D model and floor plans of each level. He enriches this model by adding photos, notes, and by answering questionnaires to characterize the thermal performance of the building's components. This results in a comprehensive assessment that centralizes all the information needed to create the EPC, which the assessor can view and check on his computer. Step 2. Energy simulations. Back at his office, the assessor extracts essential information for the simulation by generating a building data model in XML format. This central, standardized file is stored in a secure digital logbook, which is based on the Croquis technology. Both the owner and the assessor can update this logbook at any time by uploading additional files like photos, invoices, or estimates of past renovation works. The digital logbook contains several web services that perform simulations to calculate the energy rating of the dwelling, from A for the most efficient to G for the least efficient. The assessor opens the data model in simplified web form, which he can modify if necessary. He then runs a detailed energy simulation. Algorithms convert the information into data which is suitable for conducting dynamic energy simulations using advanced simulation engines like Comet or Energy Plus. If specific energy consumption and temperature measurements have been taken in the dwelling, the simulations can be refined with an additional calibration module. The values of some physical input parameters are automatically adjusted with the calibration process, instead of using values evaluated from the on-site visit. The assessor can also generate a PDF report of the key input and output data of the simulation. This allows additional checks of the energy performance assessment. Step 3. Certificate and renovation recommendations. Additionally, the assessor can use a renovation passport web service to define renovation scenarios for the dwelling in one or more steps with just a few clicks. This service uses the same data model of the building as the EPC. These recommendations are given to the owner to help him better envision and define his renovation project. At the end of the process, the assessor completes the EPC certificate and sends it to the owner. A new certificate has been developed in EPC RECAST following the requirements of the new EPBD directive. It contains numerous indicators about the building's performance and quality before and after a renovation, like simulated and actual energy consumption, energy cost, thermal comfort, or CO2 emissions. The overall EPC RECAST assessment lasts less than 1 day in total. The EPC RECAST project has successfully demonstrated that an integrated process for EPC assessors using interoperable digital tools was feasible.